and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and today I'm making something up. I got some sun-dried tomatoes, which I've never used before, and some black soybean spaghetti, which I've never even seen before. So hopefully we can make something delicious. Let's just call it, I don't know, sun-dried tomato spaghetti. So original. Let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna do is take my tomatoes and drain out the oil. This oil should be full of flavor, so I'll use that when I fry these up. Next, let's chop up some fresh basil and mince some garlic cloves. Let's grab a pan and set it to medium-high. Heat up our fancy-dancy oil and add the garlic. For a little variety, I'm also going to add these sunflower seeds that I completely forgot I had. Saute for about a minute before adding the tomatoes, then saute for another 10 minutes. Now's a good time to say I had some water going for our pasta. Box says to boil it for about 5 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. Once it's almost done, I'm going to take about a 1/4 cup of pasta water out of the pot. Now strain the water and add the pasta to the pan. Throw in the chopped basil and the reserved pasta water. Continue to mix everything on the heat for another 5 to 10 minutes until the water is pretty much gone and we got a nice saucy looking pasta. I also ended up throwing some salt and pepper in there at this point. I don't think I need much else in here, so let's top it with some fresh basil and let's plate this dish. Oh, please be good, please be good. Yeah, it's good. So obviously tomatoes, basil, and garlic is such a classic, perfect combination that's been used for centuries. But the sun-dried tomatoes have such a deep, aromatic vibe to them that really just puts it on another level. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what experiments you've tried in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Come on, tomatoes. Come on, tomatoes. Come on, tomatoes. Come on, tomatoes. God, these smell good. Come on, tomatoes. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, God. Okay. Yes.